Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove friends on Snapchat. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to manage your friend list and keep your Snapchat experience enjoyable. Let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your phone, and once you're on the main screen, tap on profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner to access your profile. From your profile page, scroll down and click on My Friends. This will display a list of all the people you are currently friends with on Snapchat. Now you can scroll through your friends list, or you can use the search bar at the top to find the friends you want to remove. And once you find the friend, press and hold on their name and a menu will appear with several options. In the menu, tap on Manage Friendship, and after selecting this option, you will see another menu pop up, and here click on Remove Friend. Now a confirmation box will appear asking if you are sure to want to remove the friend. So click on Remove again, and that's it. This friend will be removed from your list. And after you remove a friend, they would not be notified. However, they will no longer be able to send you snaps or view your private stories. They may still be able to search for your profile and send you a friend request depending on your privacy settings. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.